You can see the first truck's here. It's spinning the mud. I'm gonna feed it in the bumper. Then we're gonna be good to go. All right, here it is. We're getting ready for the first pour. Today's Wednesday. It's been exactly a week since we started. Hose is out. They're wetting it down. We're ready to pour.
Ya está duro. ¿Está duro hacer? Vamos a necesitar una de barra porque esos se van a infectar porque apretarlos hasta allá. Dale una emparejada y luego. Ahorita va a ser como está el asunto acá. No, menos un pedazo porque van a meter el... El cemento ya está duro.
Te pareces tanto a mí que no puedes engañarme. Mejor dile la verdad. Sé que me vas a abandonar y sé por quién también lo haces. Lo que pasa es que ya no quieres nada con mi amor, Miguel. ¿Que te vas a ir con Miguel? Está bien, yo lo acepto.
Está saliendo el video. Vas para Instagram. You wanna go in over here? Huh? You wanna go in over here to pray?
I was gonna go in right here, right now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, but my question is, you wanna go in?
He's in there, they take it to clean it out.
Yeah.
When they don't have it ready
Yeah.
over there, they take it to clean it.
¿Anda?
Sí, ya. No, yo no. Oh, él. Oh, sí, ya lo pusieron.
¿Ya está inscrito?
Ya está inscrito, según. Ahí está.
Mira yo acá con el cepillo dándole.
All right, as you can see, that's all done. They've given it a top coat. They're gonna let it dry for a couple hours if they come and power blast this off. And we'll take a look from outside. Right now, everybody's still stuck indoors. Poor dogs have been sleeping all day. Pretty exciting. Okay, about 7 hours have passed. I can finally walk on it. Here you can see the front walkway and steps. Coming around to the back, you're going to see the new patio. They still have a little coating on it to protect it from drying up. But here is a look of the new back patio and stoop with stairs. All right, I hope you guys enjoy this. Check on it tomorrow afternoon. We're going to be done with this pour. Thanks for watching.